Today I'm going to be showing you how I get these waves in my hair using this bubble looking curling iron. If you are new to my channel, my name is Deandra. I post lots of hair, fashion, and beauty content, all of which I always try to keep affordable. So if you enjoy that kind of thing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and let's get started with this hair tutorial. Okay, so I am starting off with fresh blown out hair. I did blow dry using this round brush blow dryer, and I do also have a tutorial on how I blow dry my hair using this round brush blow dryer. I will leave that link down in the description box. First thing that I'm gonna do is actually section off my hair. I'm gonna curl it in a top and a bottom section. I do like to have my hair pre-parted, just makes it easier. I'm gonna apply some heat spray. This one is the Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 primer. It basically is a shine spray, a heat protectant, a hair smoother, all in one, and it does actually give me quite a bit of shine, so I really like this one. I do like to spray this in sections just so I know that each section of my hair has enough heat protectant on it. So now I'm going to start curling. You want to curl it away from your face. So I put the wand behind the strand of hair, and then I just wrap it around, and I'm not like super particular about keeping the hair off the bubbles because that's what kind of gives the different waves, and then I just run it back and forth, leaving the end of it out. So I do like my ends kind of straight, which is why I like to start off with blown out hair. But if you're starting off with just straight hair, you can just take a curling iron or a straightener to your ends just to smooth them out, or you can do that afterwards. On this section, I'm gonna split it because that one's pretty thick. I would say I take about 1-inch square sections, and then I just repeat the process. My hair is really long, so I do have to wrap it at the end, which is why I go up and down. I try not to smooth it out because I want it to cool down while it's still super curled, and then I'll go back and brush it out. But if there are spots like right here, this one didn't get as curled as this one, I'm just gonna go back and recurl that real quick. Okay, so again, I'm gonna split this in half, taking about a 1-inch wide section. So now I'm ready to do this side. I'm gonna switch hands and do the same thing. Over your head, behind the strand of hair, and wrap away from your face. I'm looking at a couple of these and the ends aren't as curled as I would want them. So what I do is I just bring it back down and I try to place it where the curl ends. You see that right here? That's where the curl ends. So I'm gonna start right there, and then again back and forth, and pull it down, and so then you don't have to go back and re-wrap the entire strand. So I'll show you again, right here where the curl ends, just wrap it, go back and forth a couple times, unwrap, and it usually just continues like that. So now just going up to the next layer, I'm actually going to pin this back, grab my heat protectant. I do try to get some underneath the strand. So I spray on top and then I spray in here too. Same exact thing on the top. Hey babe. My son just came to fart on me, so that's nice. Oh my gosh. So you see this strand, part of it got curled and part of it didn't. Probably just because I got too big of a piece. I'm just gonna separate it and go all the way back. There we go. And then when I'm done with this side, I just grab this clip and clip back this side. And then on this section, I'm actually gonna split it in half. If you have more than 2 clips, you can totally clip them up in 3 sections. I just only have 2. I don't know why I haven't ordered more. I probably should do that. Don't forget your heat protectant. And exact same thing, you guys. This part is just really repetitive, but I do like to section when I curl my hair like this. The last strand is done. So now I just kind of take my fingers and run them through the curls all the way from root to end. And then I'm gonna spray with some hairspray. Just kind of fluffing and spraying. And I also like to have some texture in my hair, so I'm gonna go in with this xoxo hair shape. I'm gonna add more volume and go in with this Got To Be Powderful Volumizing Styling Powder. I'm actually gonna put this underneath the top layer. So grab your top layer, pull it over, and shake that powder in there. And you want to just rub it into your hair and scalp. Same thing on this side. I do like to take some in the back as well. So now we're actually just going to brush it. You can use a wide tooth comb or a brush. Okay, and then you just want to keep smoothing until it starts to like kind of stick together. Those curls like start to match each other. And this is the part where I do kind of go back and like fix some curls. If your ends are really dry like mine, I really like to use this Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine. I take about half a pump, rub it into my hands, and then rub it onto my ends. Just kind of working it into the dry parts of my hair on the ends, just to get it a little heat activated and smoother on the bottom. I'm just gonna take a straightener, just smooth it out. And that's how I get my ends to look a little bit healthier than they actually are. And that is how I get these waves to my hair. I really, really love this hairstyle, you guys. I can curl my hair one time and leave it like this all week without even touching it, just brushing it through in the morning. And it's so easy, very low maintenance, even though it takes a long time to get it done. Once it's done, I don't have to touch my hair for a couple days other than just brushing it and adding like leave-in conditioner, things like that. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you want to binge any more of my hair videos, I will leave 2 of them right over here, as well as that subscribe button. So hit that button if you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Oh, before I go, be sure to follow me on Instagram